Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw Roblox Sonic. It's gonna be simple, easy, step-by-step for beginners, so let's get started, okay? First thing I do here is I'm gonna draw his head, and I'm gonna draw basically a curve here for underneath one eye, and it's gonna be a little bit of a top dip here, and then curve for underneath the other. I'm gonna go over here and pull up for the side of the eye. Gonna go right here, pull down the middle of his eye, up, curve down. Gonna go over here to the eye itself, circle and circle. Circle for a highlight, circle for a highlight. And I'm just gonna kind of fill it in, to be honest. I'm just gonna straight up fill it in. Circle kind of on its side over here for the nose. Out. Out. Down. Curve underneath here. And I'm gonna pull up. Gonna draw a straight line across for the mouth. Gonna go over here to this side to kind of draw like the far side of the head over here. Curve right here. I might just draw the curve all the way through. There you go. Like so. Gonna go over here to the ear. It's literally just a triangle, and then maybe another triangle inside of that. Go over here on this side. Triangle over here, triangle inside of that. Curve in. Curve right there for the back of the head there. The spikes are a lot smaller than normal, but right on. Gonna go over here, go to his side, line for the neck, line out over here for this side of the neck. It's gonna curve down for the front of his body. He has a big square body. Okay? And he's gonna be running at us. So I'm gonna have his hand out front. Line over here, up, cross, down. Line over here for, this is the top of his hand grabbing. So literally it's just a box with like, it's basically these fingers, you know, together essentially. By the way, don't forget, if you like learning how to draw Sonic, you like learning how to draw videos, anything. I draw Pokemon, Godzilla, I go over how you can draw this stuff. Hit the subscribe button if you want to learn that stuff. It's all 8-minute stuff, you know, very short. So even this one is gonna be like 8 minutes, so super short lessons. And you get a lot of stuff out of it. Thank you. You know, so hit that subscribe if it's worth your time. Out, down, in for the thumb on the far side there. You can also kind of draw like the palm over here, essentially. It's another square. Let's go to the wristband that he has on. Line out, down, curve, out over here for the tube of his arm, and curve right here. You can draw like another hard edge right here on this side. Gonna go over here to the foot, out, down, out over here, across, up. So we're basically drawing like from the hip to the knee area. It's going forward. Down over here, line across, down over here for the shoe. Over here, down over here, across, down over here as well. That's like kind of the cuff of that shoe. It's like he's made of trash cans or something. Out over here, across for very, very flat foot. You're looking at the bottom of the shoe now over here on this side, and we're just gonna draw it up there. This is the bottom of the shoe, and if you really want, I know you can draw the design on it, but honestly, I'm just gonna draw it. You can either fill it all in or do what I'm doing, draw these lines across there. That's the bottom of that foot. Curve line over here for the colorization of his, you know, chest area. Down over here for the block of his foot. Out over here, out over here. Line over here. Right on. And you guys, far side arm over there. And it's all angled back. So he's like running forward, you know? And we could pull this line in. That is Sonic Roblox. Roblox. I want to thank you very much. If you like that, please do me a favor and share this video with a Roblox fan or a Sonic fan. It will help out everything. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video. But one thing I want to do before we go is I want to draw a thick line around the outer, just the outer edge of this character here, of Sonic. Because I want it to look to kind of look unified. And yeah, like I said, absolutely, what I want you to do is I want you to recommend any character for me. If you're hearing this right now, say hi in the comments right now, and I'm going to reply to every single one of you. Thank you so much. I'll talk to you next time, and I'll see you very soon. Ooh, one last thing. I forgot, I keep solving that. Gotta fix this line here in the corner. Now, I want to thank you very much, and you're amazing, and I hope to see you very, very soon, and I'll talk to you next time. See you later.
Alright, and if you want to keep learning how to draw and keep pushing your skills, go right here to this video on here on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw, and it I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now, another short video.